Okay, friends, we are ready to start our penguin origami greeting card. First, we're going to want to make this a little smaller. So we're going to want a square to start off with. But unfortunately, you see our paper, it's in the shape of a rectangle. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn this into a square. So first we're going to take this top corner and we're going to fold it into a triangle. With origami, you always want to try to get the angles and the creases as crisp as you can and make them all be symmetrical. But sometimes that just doesn't happen, and that's okay. So here we go. We have our triangle. There's 1, 2, 3 points. There's our triangle. Now we want to get rid of this part right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to fold it. We're going to make a nice crease. And then we're going to fold it back the other way. So unfold it and then turn our paper around and then fold it again the other way. And then at this point, you can either tear it off or you can use your scissors. I'm just going to go ahead and tear it off. Here we go. Uh-oh. Not perfect, but that's okay. But now we have a perfect square. So we were like this. We're going to open it back up again. And then we want it to look like, what is this? It kind of looks like a kite, like a diamond, right? Like a diamond. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take this corner and bring it up to about, I'd say right about there. And we're going to make a crease. Doesn't have to be super perfect. Do you see what I did right there? I went on ahead and I folded it up and made my crease. Nice job. Now, we're going to come here to this flap, this point, and we're going to bring it down. And that's going to be our beak. We're going to make a little fold right there. So there's our beak. Now, we're going to take our paper, we're going to flip it over, and now we're going to make the flat part of his head. So we're going to take this and we're going to bring the point down and fold. So you have a little bit. So you have a little triangle right there. Now, we're going to come over here and we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it. Now you want to make sure that all of your corners are meeting up with each other, okay? All your lines are meeting up. Okay? Just like that. Now you want to bring this side back over again. Make sure that everything is nice and crisp. So you have like a little bit of the flap out. Now friends, whatever we did on this side, we're gonna now do on this side. So again, we're going to take this corner and bring it over. Again, it doesn't necessarily have to be perfect, but we want to try to make our flippers about the same size. So kind of eyeball it. Now we're going to bring this corner back over for his flipper. So your little guy should look something like this. Now at this point, if you wanted to write a little message to someone special, like maybe mom or dad, I'm gonna write Merry Christmas, Dad on mine. Yay! Fun. Now we're gonna make sure that our penguin, all the folds are nice and crisp. And then we're gonna turn our penguin back over because we are not finished with him yet. Now we wanna take our yellow construction paper and we wanna make a beak for him, okay? So we're gonna need a triangle. Okay, so we're going to take our yellow construction paper with our scissors, and first you want to kind of line up and see where you'll need to cut. So line up your beak with the triangle, and if you want to, you can fold the beak with the crease and then cut it off. Here's our yellow beak. Now all we have to do is glue them on there. So we're going to take our glue. We're going to glue our beak. Oh, he's coming together, friends. He's coming together. Oh, I got a little piece. There we go. He is coming together. Next, we want to take our pink construction paper. If you want to, this is totally optional. And make circles for his cheeks. So I'm gonna make some little circles. They don't have to be perfect. Just something to give him a little bit more character. And then we're going to take our glue and glue our little cheeks on. He is super cute. I love him. Now the last part, friends, is giving him his eyes. So here, I'm gonna make 2 black circles. And here we go, our little origami penguin. Oh friends, I hope you had a great time for our first craft together. You know, if you would like to share your craft with us, you could go on to our Facebook page and you can go ahead and post your little guy. Let me know what his name is. And friends, I had such a great time with you today. I hope to see you tomorrow. Thanks.